Stepn by 2030, GMT costs are anticipated to range between 0.963656 and 1.82 cents. According to specialists, GMT could reach 0.7495 by 2025. Their steep and the market cost forecast for 2023 is 0.171317 STP and GMT presentation. As you probably are aware, this video is about steep and cost forecast. Generally, we should investigate the essential presentation of this cash on the off chance that you need a decent benefit from your fruitful speculation from it. The key NFT drive and viewpoint of the transition to acquire concept is a sound way of life application with social money, social and play to acquire games view, the grassy metaverse. Token GMT Stages Administration Token was made available on Solana in WAC 2022. Holders of GMT can recommend and decide on project developments and depository circulation prior to executing a STP and cost wand in addition to GTS temp. How about examining STPN specialization in the context of main examination? What is STPN exactly? GMT STPN is a Web3 method for acquiring a mobile application with social and gaming features that is suitable for financing. The Promethean societal charge behind STPN are Satoshi Lab and the Australian fintech studio. The project relates to the Solana blockchain, and its core concept is revolving, which is the vast majority's typical movement at the 2021 Solana Start Hackathon. STPN placed third and was the first endeavor to incorporate the move to acquire conception. Essentially, the objective of the game component of Steed is to encourage a large number of users to adopt a healthier lifestyle, combat environmental change, and avoid driving cars with a high emission rate. However, the social currency component of STPN aims to promote a platform that helps users create a web-based GMT specialist investigation. STPN verifiably. The value forecast for Stepn tokens is based on a detailed analysis of its value diagram and a specialized examination that takes into account both the ongoing cost and verifiable patterns of the digital currency. Even if there is a general perception that a bear market could permeate the crypto industry, the Stepn cash and the average cost are anticipated to recover much quicker than the total market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies. Huge financial supporters, both short and long-term property values increase. Additionally, you must determine the type of support and resistance levels the steepening price gauge encounters in order to forecast its future rate of change. Identifies the flat opposition. You can get flat endorsement assessments by observing how frequently student value checks and deviates from the current price while falling during a vertical push. Observing a tax market cap can help you decide when to sell if you already own one and need to trade at the lowest price is now. Valued at $0.214146 with a current trading volume of 15,316,602 STPN is currently ranked 121st among all digital currencies and has a market capitalization of $235,606,982. RSI shifting weighted normal MWA utilizing the overall strength record Williams fractal and conventional moving union distinctiveness mapped from the preceding framework enables us to determine cost designs for S7 GMT to determine whether the coming year will be bullish or bearish. Our cost estimations are derived from continuous state and GMT market data. And other information on our website is updated in real time, enabling us to provide dynamic cost projections based on current market activity STP and GMT value forecasts. According to certain analysts, GMT 2023's Stepn is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to surge this year. The GMT cost index for 2023 anticipates a significant increase in the final quarter of the year, possibly reaching 0.321219. Similar to other cryptographic currencies, the rise will be progressive, but substantial decreases are not anticipated, averaging $0.299804. And the cost is quite aggressive, but it is possible sooner rather than later due to anticipated combined efforts and progress. GMT is anticipated to have a base value of 0.256975 STP, and GMT value expectation is 0.256975 STP. 2024 out of 2024 STP and GMT price expectation has a lot of room for growth due to the expected declarations of numerous new companies and initiatives. We anticipate that GMT will send out a performance of 0.535364, but we should wait to see if the GMT's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone before making bullish forecasts. Waiters based on the unpredictability of the market. STP and GMT are anticipated to exchange with a base exchange rate of 0.428291 and an average exchange rate of 0.471112. 2025. If the pattern persists until 2025, the price could reach 0.7495 and GMT. If the market experiences a decline, the objective may not be achieved. In 2025, STP and GMT are anticipated to trade at an average price of 0.685266 and a low of 0.642437. According to our forecasts, the price of the GMT coin could remain stable over the next 5 years if Stepn successfully improves market sentiment among cryptocurrency enthusiasts by the year 2026. GMT will be green in 2026. The GMT is projected to surpass its all-time high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 0.963656, with a base cost of 0.856583 and a typical cost of 0.899412. STP and GMT value forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we estimate the GMT cost is expected to surpass a normal value level of 1.11 cents by 2027, with a base cost of $1.07 anticipated by the end of the year. Additionally, GMT has a maximum value of 1.18. The price of Bitcoin remains at $30,000. Ethereum surpasses $1,900, while XRP gains 6%. Bitcoin nursed its wounds from the weekend and made modest gains to remain above the $30,000 threshold. Similarly, Ethereum rose slightly but remained below the 1950 level. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies increased over the weekend. Traders are optimistic despite jitters caused by people selling their digital tokens for a profit, as a great deal of money is pouring into Toronto's economy. Bitcoin ETF, which demonstrates strong market demand, digital tokens supported by a favorable U.S. court ruling. Bitcoin was licking its wounds from the weekend as the largest cryptocurrency made small gains to maintain its price above $30,000.